everyone, welcome to Longarm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're working on the latest member quilt finishing up. We are going to draw a winner. Hopefully the name will pop up somewhere in this video, and congratulations and thank you very much for helping out our channel. We greatly appreciate it. This was one that I picked. I really liked the color combination of the pink and the gray. We have done like multicolors in the past, and I really just like the whole star pattern of this one. So it was called Reflections. Oh, maybe here, I'll put it this way for you, maybe you can see it. It was a wall quilt. I did do it 67 by 67, so it was a little bit different piece cut. They say it's 57 in here, or you can do a king size, but I didn't like the way the king size laid out. I liked it more this way, so, you know, to each their own. I guess you could do this, just keep building it out, building it out, and building it out, right? But we're gonna finish it up here, but I want you to take a look at the footage of it going straight through, like I think about the middle of the quilt, so you can kind of see all the little piecing. It's not perfect, but nothing really is, so we'll just keep on trucking, okay? So take a look at that, and then we'll come back and finish this off.
Stitch by stitch, the colors blend, a patchwork sky that has no end. Neon threads in the fabric glow, dreams we weave where the future flows. Pull the needle, pull the light, tie the knots and hold it tight. Threads of tomorrow dancing in the air. We're weaving a future only we can wear. Every stitch paper light. Patterns bloom, they never hide. Her whispers hum, the needle slides. It's love in thread, a warmth that spreads. Piece by piece, a patchwork heart, torn and mended, a work of art. Simple stitches, complex seams, quilts are life and stitched up dreams. Ragged edges, fraying lines, but beauty hides where flaws align. A little chaos, a little grace, in every quilt a human Piece by piece, a patchwork heart, torn and mended, a work of art. Simple stitches, complex seams, quilts are life and stitched up a patch of blue, a thread of gold. Story stitched from young to old. Every square a secret told. Stitched in time, held so tight. Wrapped in love through every night. Passed from hand to hand, so true. This quilt of ours carries you. Frayed edges, the faded hues, lullabies and morning hands in my hand, weaving stories untold. Patterns like whispers and colors so bold. Needles dance slow and sweet, piecing together hearts that meet. Stitch by stitch, the world comes alive. Patch by patch, dreams start to thrive. Under this quilt of love we lay, swaying softly while the hours slip away. Scissors sing sharp as the daylight pours. Fabric like rivers flowing to the floor. The hum of the machine, a steady beat, binding together where edges meet. Stitch by stitch, the world comes alive. Patch by patch, dreams start to thrive. Under this quilt of love we lay, swaying softly while the hours slip away. Every square story song, every thread of love I've known. Hands may tire, but hearts will grow in the rhythm only quilters know. Stitch by stitch, the world comes alive. Patch by patch, dreams start to thrive. Under this quilt of love we lay, swaying softly while the hours slip away. Unite.
Thank you for watching. Now we're just going to finish this one off right here. We just got a few more little swirls. The pattern is called Fancy 3 E to E. Normally I would have the member winner pick their like thread choice and pattern stitch out, but I already had an idea for this one, so I just went with it. Sorry. When a quilter has a vision, they just have to go with it, okay? We have the latest one we've been started. It is a blue and like a gray kind of combination. 3 tones of blue, a light, medium, and a dark, and then a gray, and it's so pretty so far. It shouldn't take too long, so that one should be a quickie. This one, each little square was only 2 inches, so that's what we were working with, 2 inches. Got little flukes everywhere. It's almost done. This would make a great tree skirt as well, right? You could round it off or keep it square. We have a square tree skirt as well. Why not, right? Doesn't it? It had to be round, you know. All right, now we're going to unclamp the sides, unzip the bottom so you can see this very pretty project. It did take a while because there was a lot of square, and there's a lot of half square triangles in there. So, but it's so beautiful. Love it. Well worth the effort. And I do work on the quilt when we do have our member Zooms, so you can see me working on the one that's going to be up for grabs at the latest. We chat, we hang out, we share stories. And let me just roll this real quick here so I can unzip. A little axe. Okay, and then release the top so I can show you. I put it on a wide back. It's a tan with like a brown leaf. It would complemented the thread choice, which I chose was a gray. I think it's called seagull gray. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Had such fun working on it too. And thank you everybody who helps at our channel. Big hugs to you and yours. And we will see you on the next one.